Good morning, children. In our previous class, we discussed about nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen fixation performed by symbiotic bacteria. In the previous class, what we discussed, nitrogen fixation, the process of conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into its compounds, such as nitrate and nitrites. That work is done by symbiotic bacteria like Azotobacter and Rhizodium. So it was a natural way the conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen takes place. Now here, that is a biological fixation of nitrogen, what we discussed yesterday. Now today, what we are going to discuss, non-biological fixation of nitrogen. Non-biological. That was a biological because involvement of leguminous plant and bacteria were there. So it was a biological fixation of nitrogen. Here now non-biological fixation of nitrogen. You know lightning, thunder. At that time, during lightning and all, the change in temperature occurs. The temperature may go high as 3000 degrees Celsius. Due to such high temperature, these two, you know, what is N2 is a nitrogen, correct? It is oxygen, and as air is a mixture of several gases, these two are the major. First one is this one. In the air, this is present in huge quantity. Then the second comes this. The nitrogen and oxygen present in the air. What happens? They react at such high temperature. Under the presence of this huge temperature, these two constituents of the air, nitrogen and oxygen, they react with each other to form 2NO, N2 plus O2. N2 is nitrogen, O2 is oxygen. These two, they react under electric discharge, under lightning during high temperature. When nitrogen and oxygen, when they react under high temperature, they form nitric oxide. What is NO? It is your nitric oxide. What is this? NO, nitric oxide is formed. How the nitric oxide is formed? When these two reacts, where these two are present in the air. The amount of nitrogen present in the air and the amount of oxygen present in the air at the time of lightning, during lightning, under huge temperature, change in temperature, these two constituents present in the air, they are reacting. As a result, they react. What they are forming? Nitric oxide. Between the reaction of this nitrogen and oxygen, what is formed? Nitric oxide is formed. And this nitric oxide, this 2NO, this nitric oxide further react with the oxygen present in the air. First initial stage, what is formed? Nitric oxide is formed by the reaction of nitrogen and oxygen under high temperature due to electric discharge during lightning. What is formed? Nitric oxide. This nitric oxide in turn further reacting with oxygen, O2. And what is forming? Nitrogen dioxide. What is formed? 2NO2. Two molecules of NO2. What is NO2? Nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide forms. See, secondly, what happens? The formation of nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide, how the nitric oxide is formed? By the reaction of nitrogen and oxygen in the air. There is a formation of nitric oxide. Once the nitric oxide is formed, that nitric oxide is further reacting with oxygen present in the air. Then what is producing? Nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide, NO2, two molecules of NO2, nitrogen dioxide, further they reacts with the water present in the air. The water vapors present in the air. The nitrogen dioxide is further reacting with what? The water vapors present in the atmospheric air and forming what? HNO2. What is HNO2 and what is HNO3? It is your nitrous and nitric acid. Nitrous plus nitric acids. These acids are. This is your, you can take 3. Number 3. HNO2. It is nitrous acid. And HNO3 nitric acid. So these nitrous and nitric acids are formed from, as a result, nitrogen dioxide when it reacts further with the water vapors present in the atmospheric air, resulting in the formation of these nitrous and nitric acids. And this nitric acid here, this nitric acid, further it reacts with the metallic carbonate. What is this? CaCO3 is a formula of calcium carbonate. What is calcium in this? Is a metal. CO3, metallic carbonate. What it is? Metallic carbonate. Metallic carbonate. Generally we call it as here. What is the metal here? Calcium. So we are calling, instead of calling calcium carbonate, we are calling it as metallic carbonate. So this nitric acid produced, the nitric acid further reacting with what? Metallic carbonate. Nitric acid is reacting with metallic carbonate. What is the metallic carbonate here? Calcium carbonate. To produce metallic nitrate. Metallic nitrate. This is calcium nitrate. CaNO3 twice. Calcium nitrate. So it is a metallic nitrate. Calcium is a metal, so we are calling as metallic nitrate. Plus water plus carbon dioxide. See, this is the way this non-biological fixation of nitrogen occurs. This HNO3. What is that? That nitric acid. Nitric acid is converted into metallic carbonate. Is it? And the metallic carbonate further turns with the action of nitric acid, it turns into calcium nitrate. Means metallic nitrate are produced and water and carbon dioxide are produced. And this, the metallic carbonate and nitric acid comes and gets dissolved in the soil. It comes mixed with the water. It comes along with rainwater and get further dissolved in the soil. This happens during non-biological fixation of nitrogen. Are you able to understand? Is it clear? First, what happens? The amount of nitrogen and oxygen in the air, they react with each other under high temperature and they form nitric oxide. This nitric oxide further reacting with oxygen to produce nitrogen dioxide. The nitrogen dioxide again reacting with the water vapors present in the atmospheric air to produce nitrous and nitric acids. These nitric acid, they further react with metallic carbonate like calcium carbonate to produce calcium nitrate, water and carbon dioxide. So these two are further added to the air and this metallic carbonate and nitric acid are further reached and added to the soil. This happens during non-biological fixation. So this is enough for today. We'll take a break now and further part of this chapter will be continued in our next class. Thank you.